Americans are in a pretty serious state of affairs right now. I don't know if you know it, but did you know credit card debt is skyrocketing? So we're hearing about all these different things, right? People are dipping into their savings more than they had to previously. Inflation, the cost of food, gas, energy is just going crazy. And another thing that is going crazy is the skyrocketing credit card debt in America. Now, take a look at these numbers here. Back in June of 2021, American credit card debt was at $785 billion with a B, which is huge. But in June of 2022, just 1 year later, it was up to $887 billion, up 13% year over year. Credit card debt in America. Now, what you may not be aware of is credit card interest rates are going up as well. They were averaging around 15% in 2021. And with, Fed rate hikes and a lot of these things are tied to the prime rate, the average credit card now is hovering around 21%. So not only do we have skyrocketing debt, we have skyrocketing interest, skyrocketing payments, just adding more debt on top of this, right? Especially if you're making those minimum payments out there. That is really, a serious recipe for disaster. But some good news out there is American equity is at an all-time high, $27.8 trillion in equity Americans have, averaging in the United States. The average equity in a home then would be $185,000. Now, I will say a good friend who's an appraiser out there, I was talking to yesterday, and she kind of mentioned in certain areas, like areas that I'm in, there has been a 10% drop in the last 6 months. We may not have seen it in media yet, but it's out there. So I will say, the chance to capture your home equity right is sooner than later. And I did want to tell you then, to help out with this problem, there are options. And I'm not here to get you into more debt, okay? But I am here to kind of manage unsecured debt with your real estate asset. And that's what I'm here to talk about right now. So we've been doing a ton of these really in this year. And so home equity lines of credit are big, as well as fixed home equity loans. And we do provide both of those for you. So the benefits, we have home equity loans and home equity lines of credit. So I'll tell you the benefits of a home equity loan would be you got a fixed payment, a fixed rate, and a fixed loan amount. And so you get a one lump sum at closing and you can do whatever you want with it, consolidate debt, etc. And that's what a home equity loan is. With a line of credit, it works like a credit card. So say you just got 40 grand of credit card debt and we get you a $100,000 line of credit. We can fund you that $40,000. You pay it all off, and then you still have that $60,000 to use as you wish. You can pay off your debt, as you can with this home equity line. It's going to be a much lower interest rate than a credit card, but it is adjustable. So that's one thing you need to understand. As rates go up, this goes up. As rates go down, the home equity line of credit goes down, whereas your home equity loan will stay a fixed rate. So we are here to help you out. Know that we don't want to get you into more debt, but we definitely want to help you reduce your monthly nut, if you will, during these trying times. I'm Garrick Werdmuller. I'm broker owner of Fresh Home Loan Inc., independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. Give me a call. Look us up on the internet. Thanks for liking and subscribing. You can send me a message here that you're watching this on this platform. But, we can explore all the different options and lay them out and figure out what's best for you. Independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. Have a great day.
Yeah, Fresh Home Loan Inc. You want mortgage rates without breaking your bank? Well, I got what you need. I'll keep it 100. The very best lender. We sell money, yeah. There's really no equal. Independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. I know that the pandemic's brought many problems. What we offer is better rates.